Open your Store One dashboard and click on the Configure button of the Product Video Gallery Addon. First, enable the addon. Then click on Add Video. This will redirect you to the All Products page. Now select the product where you want to add videos. Inside the Store One product section, open the Product Video tab. Here, enable the video options you want to use for the product. You can add videos from YouTube or Vimeo by simply pasting the video link. The video will automatically appear on the product page. You can upload the video from the media. You can also add videos to the gallery video section in the same way. Here you can upload the thumbnail of the video. Below, the settings for autoplay are given, along with the position of the video and its ratio. After adding the videos, click on Save Product and return to the Addon dashboard. Here, you can upload a global thumbnail. This thumbnail will be used on all products where a custom thumbnail is not added separately. Next, choose the global video ratio according to your layout preference. This is autoplay setting for the gallery video. You can also select a play icon that will appear on the video when autoplay is disabled. The icon color can also be customized from here. On the right side, you can see the live preview of the video gallery settings. Now move to the featured section. Most settings here are similar to the gallery section, along with an additional overlay color option for better customization. Once all the settings are configured, click on Save. Now, let's check the final result on the shop page. Here, the featured video is displayed directly on the product card. Now moving to the single product page. Here, you can see the gallery video added along with the product media gallery. Customers can easily view and interact with multiple product videos directly from the product page, creating a more engaging shopping experience. Thank you for watching this documentation walkthrough.